Insect mouthparts consist of 5 horizons and are made of appendages that have been modified for food handling. The labrum is similar to an upper lip. It is not divided but may have a notch on the outer distal edge. Below the labrum are the mandibles, which are paired structures which are sclerotized and is used for cutting or grinding. The hypopharynx is an internal structure located below the mandibles and has a tongue-like function. Below the mandibles, externally, are paired appendages called the maxillae. Generally, each maxilla bears an appendage, the maxillary pulpus, that is used for food handling and may contain taste or smell organs called sensillae. The bottom horizon of insect mouthparts is the labium, which is made of two fused maxilla-like structures and bears labial pulps. The head bears a pair of compound eyes, which is composed of units called ommatidium, which produces individual images that form a mosaic. The antennae are chemosensory organs that is composed of 3 segments: the scape, the pedicel, and numerous flagellomeres. 3 light-sensitive ocelli, one at the middle of the head, and the others on the lateral sides of the head. The generalized insect's mouthpart consists of 5 general parts: the labrum, or the upper lip, the mandible pairs on the lateral side of the head, the hypopharynx, the maxillary pulps, and the labium, or the lower lip. The mandible is the insect's primary jaw, is highly sclerotized, and is used for cutting and chewing food. The hypopharynx is inside the mouth and functions similarly to the tongue in higher animals. The maxillary pulps serve as additional appendages for food handling and may contain chemosensory organs known as sensillae. The lower lip of the insect is called the labium and is composed of 2 fused maxillary structures and have labial pulps. The mouthparts of insects vary depending on feeding habits and the type of food the insect eats. Ants, for example, have a cutting mouthparts that allow it to chew leaves, while moths and other lepidopterans have sucking mouthparts that allow it to suck up liquids. The generalized insect body plan is divided into 3: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Each of these are then further divided into more segments: 6 segments for the head, 3 for the thorax, and 11 to 12 segments for the abdomen. The thorax is composed of 3 segments: the prothorax, the mesothorax, and the metathorax. 3 pairs of legs in each of the 3 segments. The second and third segment is aptly named the pterothorax, as it is where the wings of the insects are attached. 2 pairs of wings are attached to these 2 segments. Moving on to the dorsal-ventral aspect. The thoracic segments are divided into 3: the notum, the pleura, and the sternum. Openings of the insect's respiratory system, the spiracles, are found in the lateral sides of the thorax and the abdomen. The generalized structure of an insect's leg consists of the following: the coxa, the connecting segment, trochanter, femur, tibia, the tarsus, and claws. The femur and the tibia are the longest leg segments of the insect. The insect's legs are highly specialized and have forms that depend on the insect's lifestyle. They may also bear specialized structures such as tarsal sensillae or tympanic membranes that allows the insect to feel or to taste their surroundings with their feet.